Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, guys, we got this 2000 Toyota Corolla, and we are going to replace the alternator fuse for this car. So join me today, guys, and let's fix some cars. So guys, this is just a quick video. So in replacing the fuse, you need to disassemble this fuse box and then remove this, because as you can see, guys, in here the connection where you put the alternator fuse, there is a 2 bolt in here. So it's not like just an ordinary fuse that you can just pull like this one, a relay. For this kind of fuse, you have to like remove this, and then this is number 8. Okay, let's remove this. There you go. The bolt, and this one, and now that's the piece. Actually, the owner tried to remove it, and then he break it, and then this thing left in here. Now, other side, I think this is number 10. It's number 10. Oops. 1 sec. Let's pull this. Oh boy. There you go. New one, 100 ampere. Okay, new design. So let's put it there. Okay, all right. Then let's put it back. Number 8. Come on. All right. Nice. All right. And number 10. Other side. Number 10. Okay. back the cover. So the cover will go over here. Yikes. Go. Now let's put it back. Press it. Alright. That's good. Now let's connect the fuse box. But guys, make sure to disconnect your negative cable before you do this. Okay, and then there's one more over here. There you go. Alright, then number 10. That's it. So guys, that's how you replace a alternator fuse for 2000 Toyota Corolla. So it's not just a simple pulling a fuse. So you have to like disassemble the fuse housing and remove it from underneath, because there were like two bolts holding the fuse. So guys, so if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.